This is the Mercedes C300. Now this is also available with Multicars Club for sale. Yes, now this is a 2-liter engine and it's a 4-cylinder car. It's definitely very powerful. It's a convertible. It's a soft top convertible. Look at the color. It's amazing. It's got a good amazing chrome plated grille in the front and it's look massive. Alright, so look at the front appearance, how it is. It's looking amazingly ravishing. Okay, so that's how it looks from the front. And as I mentioned, Multicars Club cars that we have, they don't have any painting denting work that is required. So this is a metallic blue color. Alright, so let's get to the side quickly and I'll show you the side part as well. So this is the right side of the car. Okay, and it's obviously got a 5-spoke alloy wheel. Alright, and it's a obviously 2-door and it's a 4-seater. But then again, the rear passenger seats that we have, that is not that spacious, and obviously you cannot expect a very spacious seating behind the car, especially if it's a sports car or if it's a 2-door. Okay, so that's how it looks from the side. Now let's get to the back of the car. Okay, so this is the rear part of the car. It's got a C300 badging over here. This is how it looks from the rear, and as I mentioned, it's a soft top convertible car. Now I will show you the left side of the car as well, and this is how it looks from the left side. So it is a powerful car, though it's got a 2-liter engine, but it's got a great power. I'm going to mention every detail about the technical specifications in my description, so please go ahead and check that description in detail. And as I mentioned, see this is a soft top convertible car. So just amazing, guys, and just pick up your phone and grab this opportunity if you like this beast, if you like this beauty. Now let's get inside the car. Okay, so now let's get inside the car. So it's got a dark beige color. I would say it's a brown color seats that you have, so it matches well with the black toned color that we have for the interiors. Okay, and it's got a good leather finishing over here as well, and it's got a black touch as well over here, so it gives a good touch up and a good look. Okay, so let's get inside the car now. And yes, I am inside the car now. So this is how it feels from inside the car. Okay, and so these are the speaker systems that we have. It's got a Brahmaster speaker. Okay, and this is how it looks from the inside. This is the digital speedometer that we have. Okay, and obviously the handbrake parking light is on. This is the infotainment screen. These are the AC vents, and these are all the controls that we have. And it's got a pedal shifter as well over here, if you can see, plus and minus. You can use that as well to get a sporty mode. Okay, and that sporty feeling. So that's how it looks from the inside. It's very posh, it's very clean, well maintained, no work required. Look at the interiors, absolutely stunning. Okay, so and let me also show you the rear part. So this is how it is at the rear. Okay, and I will also sit inside the rear seat. Okay, the rear passenger seat. So I will show you how much is the leg room. And as I mentioned, for a car this size, if it's a 2-door especially, okay, you cannot expect much leg room behind. Okay, so this is how you just pull this up, and that's how the seat moves forward. Okay, just keep this pulled, and that's how you get inside the car. Seat still moving. All right, so yes, so you can easily get inside. Okay, and now you can just pull that lever again and put the seat behind, and it will automatically come behind to the same position where it was. Here it's moving, and here it stops. Okay, so the seat was adjusted and it was put to the rear. Now I am stuck over here. If you see, I don't have any leg room. Okay, so yeah, but then if you move the seat a little forward, okay, it will give you a little space. All right, obviously. So once you adjust the seat from the front controllers, you can adjust the seat accordingly, and then obviously you will get good amount of space over here. So you'll have a decent leg room as such. Okay, the seat needs to be adjusted by the driver. All right, and these are the AC vents for the rear passengers, and you have 3 cup holders over here. So technically it's 4-seater, it's not 5-seater, because the middle person won't be able to sit. They can, if it's a small person, they can still try, but it's a difficult task. Okay, so you have speaker systems over here as well, and that's how the rear looks like. All right, so that's how it is from the rear. Let's get to the driver's seat again. So again, if you want to just put the seat back, automatically it will go back to its main position. So that's how the seat goes back to its original position that has been adjusted. Obviously then once you are seated in the front, you can adjust the position accordingly the way you want, depending on the rear passenger as well. Okay, so as I mentioned, this car is very well maintained and there's no work that is required. So kindly grab this opportunity, and if you want to buy this car, call up Multicars Club in the number given in the description, and you can go ahead and start negotiating and start a deal. Alright, so right now what I'm going to do is I'm going to also show you how the roof actually retracts. Okay, so as I mentioned, it's a soft top convertible, so let me show you that magic. Okay, so let me show you how to convert this car, remove this soft top that we have. So all you have to do is you just have to long press the unlock button on your remote. So here it goes. This is so amazing. So you can actually time it. Okay, it just happens within few seconds. See this, it's so fast, absolutely stunning. I don't have any words for that. And here it is, and the car is unlocked, so you can definitely enjoy the breeze if you want, just to remove the top over you, and you can just cruise at a good speed on highway or an expressway or somewhere in Lonala or Ghats. You can just enjoy the breeze. This is just amazing. And again, if you want to just again put the top back again, just long press the lock button on your remote key, and this is how it will again retract and go back to its position, and the car will again be with the top. And that's how it is, and it's done. Here it is. So it just happened within few seconds. It doesn't take a long time. Even if it all of a sudden if it rains, you can just press the button immediately and it will happen in few seconds, and so you won't have any problem as such. Alright, so guys, I hope you like this video, and as I mentioned, if you want to buy this car, please call up Multicars Club that I have mentioned the number in the description. You can call that number and you can speak to people over there and you can crack a deal. Alright, so thank you so much for watching, and keep watching for such videos. Kindly subscribe to my channel, like my videos and share my videos. Thank you so much guys. Bye bye, take care.